Hi guys, it's me, Sara, and this is, of course,
Piggles. And I said Piggles, not Pickles. I don't go on a sub sandwich.
I don't want to eat you.
I didn't
That's
see you
very
did.
disturbing.
Weirdo.
Okay, so today we're going to be showing you what's inside Toy Box Monthly.
A what?
Toy Box Monthly.
What's that?
It's a box that you get every month, and you get like toys inside it. You don't even know what it is.
So it's a surprise?
Yeah.
It's like Christmas every month.
One of my parents orders it for me.
They must be really cool.
I think it's my dad.
I heard your dad is awesome.
He does. He actually buys these for me. One time it was Christmas, and he got me one of these, and I'm like, whoa, what's this? And he's like, this is called a Toy Box Monthly.
Your dad sounds really cool.
Yeah.
So if you want to see what's inside, stick around. Okay, so Sara is going to open up this cool box that her cool dad got her for a cool Christmas. I wanted to say cool 3 times in a row.
Because he is so cool.
Yeah.
That's 4 rows.
Okay, so let's see what's
Okay.
inside. I'm trying to get up closer.
First, we have Zootopia.
Is there what?
Zootopia.
What is that?
This is a blind box that is a blind box of Zootopia. If you guys have ever seen Zootopia, tell me in the comments.
What kind of stuff can you get?
You can get this stuff in the back. I think you can get, I don't remember their name. I probably watched this when I was 5 years old.
And you're 25 now?
Oh my goodness. I'm 8 years old right now.
85?
No, 8! I actually probably watched this when I was 7.
70? Is that like a 7 and a 4 and a 2?
He's actually very hard with his numbers.
So? What else we got in the box?
Zoom Zoom. This is all in Japanese.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Like the car?
This is all in Japanese, so I can't even read it.
Like the car?
Yeah, but I don't know what this is. Is this a...
Remember those commercials, everybody? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, what else? and can I eat that?
No.
Can I lick it? Okay, it's cute, but it doesn't taste very good.
Then we have Buttercup.
I love peanut butter cups.
Oh,
that's a Powerpuff Girl.
Mine.
I had to be mean sometime today.
So, we're on to the next thing.
What is that?
We're on to one of those Lego things again that I couldn't open back on the other video.
Oh, you always have a problem opening stuff.
Yeah.
So
So
you might need adult supervision.
supervision.
Oh, adult supervision to open things.
This is Monster High. My dad didn't want me to watch it for some reason.
Your dad sounds really mean.
No, he's cool, but some reason I was too young. Just because it was monsters, I think.
Monsters are scary. Anything else in that box?
Move this over. Move that in front of my face so everybody can see my beautiful face.
What is that? That sounds really neat looking.
What is it?
Princesses, it looks like.
Merida's
Oh, that's Merida.
Merida's Playful Adventure, and it says ages 4 and up.
And those are her brothers, which are the bears.
How old are you?
I'm 522.
No, how old are you? Like, are you 4, 5, 3, 4?
5434.
No, what? How old are you? 3.
5434.
Are you 1?
I'm 1453.
No, how old are you? I'm 8. How old are you?
I'm 8.
You are?
Yes.
Okay, so you're allowed to play with this stuff.
Well, that just was like a very long conversation for something.
Okay, so here's Merida, and I've watched her like a long time. She's probably my favorite. Okay, I put this right there.
I like to knock stuff over.
Okay, and I'll put this one right there.
Cool. So, is there any last thing in the box, or is that it?
No, that's it. Empty box.
That is a cool crate. So you get this once a month, and is it the same stuff every time?
Not same stuff, but different.
So it's different. Awesome. So if you guys are interested in this, we'll put a link in the description below.
So, bye, guys. Love you.
I love you too. I'm gonna leave now.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. What?
Click.
Click the subscribe button. Lick the like button. And kick the computer.
No. Okay,
I
guys.
gotta go practice some dance moves.
Dance. Okay, why would he have to do dance?